Problem 5. We have a fraction with a radical in the denominator. That's not allowed. We have to get rid of that. So we have to multiply this by some fraction that's worth the top and bottom of the same number, so that it's worth just 1, so that it doesn't really change this value. But we got to do it so that we get rid of square root of 3. Well, if I just put another square root of 3 here, square root of 3 times square root of 3 will give us a 3, and that'll get rid of the radical. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. That way this is worth 1, and it's not changing the value of the fraction. So let's do it. The top's 3 times root 3. Well, I can't do anything there. That's just written that way. But a square root of 3 times a square root of 3 is what? Oh, that's 3. Now notice what happens. Oh, I have a 3 over 3. Those are going to cancel into a 1, and 1 times root 3. The final answer here is simply root 3. 3 divided by root 3 is simply root 3. Another way you could look at this, if you don't believe me that that answer comes out, could we not write 3? Do you not agree that 3 is simply the square root of 3 times square root of 3? Yeah, because that gives you a 3. So I could rewrite 3 as a root 3 times root 3, because that's root 9, which is 3. So I rewrote 3 as a root 3 times root 3, and I'm dividing by root 3. Notice those would cancel, and you'd be left with just your answer of square root of 3. This is the way I know most of you are going to do it, but I want your minds to think to realize this, that I can rewrite any whole number as simply a square root of it times itself again, and then cancel things out. You could do it that way. Again, I know we'll do it this way. This is the common way of what we call rationalizing the denominator, and that's the way I really expect you to do it, but I like your minds to be smart too. That's part of my job. Problem 5.